Hello, how are you? Today I've picked out 4 plants, 4 herbs that you probably have at home. They're super cheap and easy to find, and they can help you control diabetes. You're going to love this list, so stay until the end. You won't want to miss it. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell because I have new videos every day, lots of videos about diabetes, great recipes for diabetes, and tips. So you're going to love them. I've picked out these 4 herbs that we usually have at home, but often don't use in our daily routine because we don't know they can help with diabetes control. Let me tell you right away that hibiscus is not on this list, even though it has some very interesting properties for diabetes control. I already have an entire video talking about this, and there are hibiscus recipes here on the channel. I'll leave them linked below. The only reason I didn't include it on this list is because it's already so well known that I thought it wasn't worth it. But hibiscus is also great for controlling diabetes. So let's get started with our list. The first herb is lemon balm. Many people don't know this, but lemon balm tea is excellent for helping to control diabetes. There are studies that show it helps improve glucose absorption by the cells and prevents excessive glucose production in your body. So, studies show that when you consume lemon balm tea, you can lower your blood glucose and even improve your glycated hemoglobin, which is one of the indicators of how your blood sugar is doing. In other words, how well your blood sugar is being controlled. So adding lemon balm tea can help you. Just be careful not to sweeten it, because that's a big problem. Many people think that because it will lower blood sugar, they can add sugar. Absolutely not. Always remember to consume it without sugar, preferably without sugar and without sweetener. But if it's absolutely necessary, look for a sweetener that is safer for you. I have videos here on the channel talking about xylitol, stevia, erythritol, and I'll leave them down below to help you as well. Also remember that honey raises blood sugar, so it's not okay to sweeten with honey. This is also a very important detail when we talk to diabetics. The second tea, which is amazing, is chamomile tea. There are already several studies proving that it can also help control diabetes. Few people know this, and it needs to be shared more because it's such a tasty tea, so inexpensive, and so easy to add to your daily routine. Studies have found that it can improve glycated hemoglobin levels, insulin levels, and most interestingly, it helps protect your body against oxidative stress. People with diabetes are very susceptible to damage from oxidative stress because they have more free radicals circulating due to the disease, and this stress from free radicals causes the complications of diabetes. So, chamomile tea really helps to prevent these diabetes complications, and that's why it's very important and interesting to include it in your diet, especially since it's very tasty and easy for us to add. I want to remind you that I have some recipes here on the channel where I use chamomile tea and other teas. I have lots of tips and recipes for diabetes, and I even have an entire playlist about diabetes. I have a playlist of recipes for diabetics, and I think you're going to like it. All these links will be down below in the description. If you don't know where that is, I'm talking to you. There's the video title here and a downward arrow. Click there and a tab will open where I'll put these links with really great tips to help you control your diabetes. Another interesting herb is oregano. There are some studies that say consuming oregano or oregano tea can help improve insulin resistance and help improve carbohydrate metabolism, which is the nutrient that most affects blood sugar levels. So adding more oregano or oregano tea can help you as well. Another herb that is related to diabetes control is rosemary. Some studies say that rosemary tea may actually play a role in helping to regulate blood glucose levels because it helps to transport the glucose circulating in your blood into the tissues, especially muscle tissue, without necessarily needing increased insulin secretion. So it helps control the glucose in your plasma, in your blood. I want to leave a tip for you here. If you want to know more about your favorite tea or herb, I created a playlist just about teas. That way you can learn about the benefits of all of them. I talk about the properties, how to prepare the teas, how to drink them, with lots of tips and the contraindications. And if your favorite isn't there, you can even let me know here in the comments and I'll come and make a video for you. I want to make an important observation. These teas help, but they're not going to work miracles. There's no point in eating an entire pizza and then drinking rosemary tea or oregano or chamomile and thinking that will control your blood sugar, lower your blood sugar levels, or manage diabetes. This is a medium to long-term effort that requires a good diet and regular visits to your endocrinologist. If you can also have a nutritionist follow up with you in your city, that will be fantastic. Also, engage in physical activity, get good sleep. I have many videos here on the channel about diabetes, tips, and recipes, and I think they will help you. All of them will be down below in the description. Leave a comment down below if you already used to drink any of these teas to control diabetes. Do you drink any other tea or use any other herb at any other time to help with control? I would love to see your comment. Like the video because that really helps me, and share it with those who need it, with those who will enjoy it. Let's work together to expand this chain of good because that's what I want here with the channel. See you next time. Bye.